Welcome to the day 2 of the Conscious Creator Challenge. Today we will make a list about the unfulfilled desires we had in 2022. So this week, the first week of the challenge will be more about releasing 2022, because when we still have resentment or disappointment or anger for the thing we didn't achieve, for the goals we didn't achieve in 2022, or for the desires we didn't manifest, we cannot create something new. That tension in our body, that trauma, that disappointment, sadness, anger blocks us from receiving new manifestation and from creating new things. So I want to start today with a list about all the things you didn't accomplish in 2022, but you set up an intention at the beginning of the year to do so. So just take every area of your life. If you, for example, set resolutions at the beginning of 2022 and you still have your journal, or you took a note of them in your phone, I invite you to find that journal or that phone, or if you don't have one, just try to remember what things you wanted to achieve in 2022 but they didn't materialize. For me, it's like making consistent revenue. I wanted to have like the same consistent revenue, but I still had like some high months and some low months overall. I wanted to lead a retreat that didn't materialize. I wanted to travel outside Europe that didn't go through. So I have like multiple desires. I also wanted to lose more weight than I did. So as you can see, on every area, business, health, relationships, money, fulfillment, on every area of your life, I invite you to see the desires, intentions, resolutions you set up and you couldn't materialize them. By doing this list today will lead us to tomorrow's challenge, which will be processing all these things that created disappointment, sadness, or anger on a subconscious level. When we will release these stories, we will clear our subconscious mind and our bodies, and we will make space to consciously create new stories for 2023. So again, I invite you to take a journal, a pen, and making your list. And after you do it, I would love for you to share in the group what things didn't materialize for you in 2022.